Hi guys, and welcome back to Buy Direct Online. In today's video we're just going to show you the Fila chair and how to assemble the Fila chair. Now you can use an Allen key driver, or you can use a drill with the driver Allen key bit. In the drill it's a lot quicker if you're doing a number of these chairs, and we often sell them in larger quantity. So if you get yourself a battery drill with this driver, it'll make it a lot quicker. Now it comes in two pieces, so it's a very simple assembly. You've got your base, so your legs and your base, and then you've got your seat and back in one piece. This is an upholstered version we're showing here. You can see the poly prop. They go together both the same way. So if you've got another chair, we often find that works best if you put the back and seat upside down on the other chair, and then get your base, and then we'll line that up. Now you've got little locating lugs here that line up with the base, and then you've got a fixing point here and here, which means that you get the base in the right position. So if we pop it around the wrong way, it won't actually go on. As you can see, your bolt holes aren't lining up in the right position, so it only goes the one way, and you can easily work that out. You can see, if we lift this up, you can see that the bolt holes are lining up there now. So now that we've got that lined up, we can get our bolts. We've got 6 bolts here that come with the chair, and when we do this, we like to just do one at a time, but don't do them up. Just do them halfway in, so that's leaving them loose. That'll give you the ability to be able to move the frame still and line the other bolts up. If you tend to do one up tight, it makes it a lot harder. And you go across to the other side, put one in, half do it up, and we'll go across here. Again, half turn up, so it's still a bit loose. That's the idea, so you got a bit of movement. Just make sure that you get the bolt straight in, don't go in on an angle, which you might cross thread the actual nut. So it's nice to get it straight, down about halfway, and do the last one. Okay, so now we've got them all positioned and all the bolts are in the thread. Now we can just go around and pull them up tight. Don't have to overdo them, but just pull them up tight. And you can do that in a bit of a sequence as well, like if you're doing the nuts up on your car wheel. Just go around and tighten them up. So there we go. So now we have the chair assembled. You can see that there, all the bolts. So you got your six bolts are all in, fixed, secured, and it's as simple as that. Very easy to assemble the Fila chair. So I trust this video helps and gives you an overview on the assembly of the Fila chair. Any questions you have, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks very much for watching.